So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we unbox the Dex Collective powered by Google Cloud, and this is basically the Google Cloud Arcade swag. So let's unbox it together. So let's unbox it. So basically this is our writing pad with pen stand and basically a mobile stand too. Here is a wireless charging pad and this is our writing pad. Basically it works on power mode. You can use your power bank or use directly via connections. So let me show you how we'll connect. So as you can see here is when you'll click on you'll see this, it is powered by micro USB, and for charging you can use this the USB-A cable for charging your device. And as you can see the back side of this Dex Collective. So this is the most requested video, as you have already seen the short video of this, and if you haven't seen you can check it out, but this is a full unboxing experience. Let me show you how you will able to write and erase. For writing you don't need power supply, you can write it easily. Let me show you. This is the stylus pen. So this is our stylus pen, and let me write something. So if you want to rub it you need to connect it. So let me show you how we'll connect. First you can use any plug, USB power. I am using the power bank because I am not close to the power outlet. So first of all, as you can see, let me connect it. Just connect it like you connect your charger, and as you can see the power is on. Now you have to clear this. So for clearing it, you can see here is a button. If you are unable to see, here is the button. You have to just click on it and see the magic. All things gone. Now let me show you what you can write. So if you are new to this channel, subscribe here and like the video. So this is our Dex Collective, and suppose you want to erase it again, you can see this button. This is basically a power button type of icon. Just click on it and boom, everything is erased. And if you face any issue regarding the Dex Collective, you can contact me on the description, comment section. And this is the quick view of the charging kit and the laptop not mobile stand. And let me show you this complete Dex Collective. So this was the Dex Collective. I hope you like the video. To like the video and subscribe the channel. If you have want this kind of swags, you can just do one thing: participate in the arcade program. If you don't know what is the arcade program, I have shared the link in the description. You can watch it. And thank you guys. Have a great day ahead. This was the packaging box, as you can see. So finally, bye and have a great day ahead.